Hi, I'm Teresa. I would like to share with you my experience at McCawley Dental Periodontics. I was initially very nervous about this experience, and being that I was recommended by my dentist, I thought, well, let's just go for the initial consultation, and upon doing so, I was ever so happy and ever so amazed, because from the initial consultation all the way through to the gingival graft, which Dr. McCawley performed on me very gently and seamlessly, and fabulous. No need to be nervous or to be afraid or scared, because he is absolutely amazing. From his staff, Adriana, Brittany, his front desk staff, all the way through to the day of the procedure was seamless. It was perfect, and I would highly recommend Dr. McCawley and his staff to anyone.